Now experiment number 2, to study NAND gate and NOR gate as universal gates. So as we studied in the theory class, NAND gate and NOR gate can be used as universal gate. That is, you can use NAND gate and NOR gate for recognizing, or you can say realizing the basic gates. Basic gates are NOT gate, OR gate and AND gate. So now we will verify all these three gates using NAND gate and NOR gate. Now first we will see about the NOR gate. So in the NOR gate, just short the two inputs of NOR gate, so it will be realized as NOT gate. So when the two inputs are shorted, the same input will be applied to the inputs. So output will be, when the input is A, output will be A bar. So for 0, output is 1. For input 1, output is 0. Now similarly you can verify for OR gate. Take it. So it is we have studied in the theory class, so it is not necessary to explain how it is recognized. So just you can see the circuit, you will remember it. So we will verify the NOR gate and NAND gate as universal gate in this experiment. So for verifying NOR gate as NOT gate, we just need only one NOR gate. So in this you can see we have shorted the input. So we will short the two input and we will use the input switch for applying the input, and we will use the output for the output LED. It is the similar practical to the first. We will just using the same kit. We are using same kit. Okay. Now we will verify. So first what we will do, we will short the two inputs and the input will be supplied to the power input switches, and we will give the output to the output LEDs. Now we will making the arrangement for the for this. Now we will use the cord for shorting the two inputs of NOR gate. So we will make shorting the two inputs. Okay. Now, and we can use any of the input for using for applying the inputs signal from the switches. Okay. So it is the input connection. It is clear. It is the input connection. Now we will use the cord for output connection. The same NOR gate will be used for output. Okay. So it is the connection of verifying NOR gate as NAND gate. Okay. Now we will verify the truth table. We will verify the truth table for NOT gate. So input 0 is applied to the input of shorted input NOR gate. So output will be 1, which is the input output combination for NOT gate. Okay. Similarly for input as 1, okay, output will be 0. So we have verified NOR gate as NOT gate. Now we can verify NOR gate as OR gate. Okay. So for realizing NOR gate as OR gate, we have to use, we are requiring two OR gates. So one NOR gate is two inputs and second NOR gate is shorted input. Okay. So we will make the arrangement for this. Okay. So we already have the shorted input NOR gate. We will use any of the NOR gate for verifying the OR gate. Okay. So we what we will do, so there is a two inputs OR gate from the switches, and the output will be applied to the shorted input AND gate, NOR gate. So what we will do, we will use any of the NOR gate. Okay. So we are applying the OR gate of this NOR gate of this to the input of shorted input NOR gate, and we will use two different cords for applying from the input switches. Now we will connect the input from the switches. Okay. So it will be the arrangement for NOR gate as OR gate. So you can see we have applied the two inputs to the two inputs of one NOR gate, and output of this NOR gate to the shorted input NOR gate, and output of this NOR gate is connected to the output LEDs. Okay. Now we will verify the truth table. Again the same truth table is there, that is when one of the input is 1, output will be 1, and when all the inputs are 0, output will be 0. So you can see for 0 0 output is 0, and for remaining 3 combination output is 1. Now we will verify. So you can see inputs are 0 0, so output will be 0. Similarly for input as 0 1, input as 0 1, output will be, for input as 0 1, output is 1. For input as 1 0, output is 1, and for two inputs as 1 1, output will be 1. That's how we will verify the truth table for NOR gate as OR gate. Similarly, you can verify for NOR gate as AND gate. ठीक है, so you can see there is a requirement of 3 NOR gates, 2 inputs, two shorted input NOR gate, and another is connected to the output of those shorted input NOR gate. So you can verify for AND gate as NOR gate, NOR gate as AND gate. Now we will verify for the AND gate. We will make the arrangement for the same. So we are having these 2 shorted input NOR gate, first one, and it is second one. ठीक है, and the output of these 2 NOR gates will be connected to the third one. So you can use any of the remaining one of the NOR gate. So we will apply the output of these shorted input NOR gate to the input of the third any of the NOR gate. So it is, we are using this second NOR gate. ठीक है, it is first output is connected to the first second NOR gate. ठीक है, now we will apply the output of this shorted input NOR gate to the same NOR gate at the second input. ठीक है, so we, at the second input we will apply the output of second shorted input NOR gate. ठीक है, and the output of and the output of this NOR gate will be applied to the output LEDs. So we will apply output LEDs. So that it is the arrangement for NOR gate as NAND gate. ठीक है, and we will use switches for applying the inputs. So any of the किसी भी एक input पे आप इसको connect कर देंगे. ठीक है, so that's how we will verify the NOR gate as NAND gate. So it is the circuit arrangement for NOR gate as NAND gate. Now we will verify. So 2 inputs are 0. So for 2 inputs are 0, output will be 0. ठीक है, for 0 1 output is 0. For 1 0 output is 0. For 1 1 output is 1. That's how we will verify the NAND gate as NOR gate as AND gate. Similarly for NAND gate you can also verify the NOR gate, and the second part will similar to that of NAND gate for NAND gate as universal gate. So you can verify the truth table. So it is the experiment number 2, which is the study of universal gates.